Alright everyone, we are back at Cash Car Wash Express and Detail, and today we're gonna check out we're gonna revisit their tunnel. Just go down here. My dad has never seen this sort of equipment, so I personally think he's gonna really like it.
We shall see.
I'm sure you will. But before we go in, I'm gonna ask him if we could, or if I could, actually, like, walk through the equipment while it's off. So I'll pause and see you in a second. Okay, time to walk through the tunnel. Here's the conveyor. Here's your sign. Here's the Your Wash signs. Kind of just some, stuff right there. Here is your wheel scrubbers. Here's the actual brushes. I thought that this was actual rubber. It's not. It's just a unique foam. So, yeah. Here's the wraparounds. Got lights inside. Here's your undercarriage wash. Some more. Here's your rinse. Got a rocker brush here. Some tire cleaners. Then another top brush. And the duo scrubbers, or whatever these are called. Some rinses. Oh, we actually have a chameleon arches here. We got some tire shine. Got spot free rinse. Got some like towel washing space, and then here's the dryers. So yeah, that is the tunnel pretty much. Now let's go through it. We're gonna film cars go through. From Arizona. and other brush materials. Here we go. Should roll up your window. There's our car. The foam bath has actual bubbles.
Oh, that's cool. There's actually a mirror.
Yeah. It's to help you line up with the conveyor.
This is looking like some fancy equipment.
Yeah, 100%. She tells me that's actually kind of old. But you see, here's the actual bubbles.
I like it.
So I told you you would like it.
Good coverage.
Yeah, 100%. We get Triphone 2. Here comes the first brush.
You're right, it is slower, but still good coverage.
Yeah.
It smells great.
Yeah.
This is the quietest car wash, but it's still getting a really good wash.
Yeah. I actually thought that the foam or the material was rubber. It's not. It's actually just a different type of foam. The manufacturer of this equipment, Belanger, actually calls it Shine Mitt.
Shine Mitt.
Shine Mitt.
Oh, okay.
Not Shine Mint. Shine Mitt.
It is getting the car squeaky clean.
Exactly.
And like literally squeaky.
Yeah. Now we're getting some sort of wax application. Here's the second top brush. This one's lights unfortunately don't work. I love it. Now we're getting a rinse. We're getting a spot-free rinse now. We're getting a tire shine.
Excellent.
Now here comes the dryers.
They got the blades.
Yeah. These dryers are doing a great job.
They are.
There's literally lights mounted inside of them.
That's cool.
Very powerful. So yeah, there you go. And then they have like a hand dry section here. So yeah, that is awesome. Yep, you see, hand dry.
Very nice.
Just in case the spot-free coverage wasn't good enough, which we both know that it was perfect.
And they put the
a squeegee on the mirror.
That's a nice touch.
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
Yeah, and it has they apparently have ceramic now. A ceramic shine sealant. So yeah, that is Cash Car Wash Express in detail.
Very nice.
Yeah, 100%.
Very happy with this wash.
Yeah. So yeah, that is that. If you're in the Logan area, definitely stop by. They've even got a tire place if you have a flat tire or something, and then they even got a Culver's over there. I love Culver's. So yeah, that is Cash Car Wash Express in detail. Thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.